Hi everyone! Want to control things around your house with your computer? Like turning on a lamp or a fan. Today I will show you how, with a few cheap components, free software, no soldering, and a few lines of Python code. Just like the switch already in this power board, we will add another one called a relay. The only difference from that other switch is that this one listens to an electrical signal instead of a button press. We are only adding the switch to one of the wires. The other one will be connected through something called a luster terminal. It is not important which wire we choose, either one will do. Test number 1. Connecting the circuit to mains voltage. The relay should remain in the off position. Nothing happened. That's good. Now we disconnect from mains, so we can do the next test. This is the ESP32. It is a tiny computer with Wi-Fi. For this test we are only interested in its power pins that we get access to if we plug it into this adapter board. With these we can get a simple signal to the relay to test it. First connect the minus of the relay to the ground of the ESP32. They basically mean the same. Second, the voltage listed on the relay is the voltage needed on the plus terminal to turn the switch to on. Doesn't say it, but just so you know. We connect that to the 5 volt, so it should turn on. Also note, sending 0 volt will turn it off. Now connect the circuit to mains. And then power up the ESP32 with the USB-C cable and whatever USB chargers we have. The light should now turn on. This is called a small victory. We need those in projects. Once again, power everything off. Go to the GitHub page for my Python project. The URL is in the description. Click on the code button and select download. This should get you a zip file containing the project. Extract the content to your desktop. Now start up an Arduino IDE and open the sketch from the project directory. Modify the Wi-Fi name and passwords and upload the sketch to the ESP32.